Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be pretty short. Just want to show some little things I just did. The camper is at Manny's shop and he is not able to be here today, so I came over just to do a little some odds and ends. This gasket molding, whatever you want to call it, was hanging, so I just put some of the black adhesive that I used around the window, used that in there, so that is now attached. So this is just about little things. See back here, I took the light covers off the other side. This one I already had off. I wiped them down, get some of the dirt off, so get those ready for him to switch out the lights. And then inside I took the stove parts out, and this was sticking up higher than the counter, so I wouldn't be able to put a board over it. So I took the screws out and I pushed it down and put new screws in, so now it's down below the countertop. The propane will be disconnected at the front. The tank will be removed, so there'll be no propane going to it. This I'm going to leave in. I can use it for storage. I'll put some shelf liner in there, clean it up a little bit more. Put shelf liner in there, put a board or upside down tray over it so I can use it as counter space. And then I can store stuff in here like utensils or something once it's clean, of course. The stove, as I said in the other video, these parts will just be put in a bag and put back there behind the water holding tank for any future owner that might want to reinstall it. And down here with the electric, this is coming out. It's 15 amp. The box right there is coming out. This is being switched to 30 amp with no 12 volts. And it will have, I believe, 3 breakers in here. I got a detachable cord, so I won't have this thing in the wall anymore. And that is it for today's video. It's just some little things. Like I said, I got some fiberglass resin. He's going to be putting that on the outside where those leaks were. And doing it from the outside instead of from the inside, and he's going to pretty much coat the whole roof and the back end with it, and then I will paint it in a couple months, and once I get down south, which I'll be heading there in just a few weeks. So that's it for today. Give it a thumbs up, follow along, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.